Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can fix USB device not recognized in Windows. So first go to search bar and search for control panel. Then make sure that you change your view style from category to large icon. Then click on power plan. Now click on change when the computer sleep. Then click on change advanced power settings. Then click on USB setting. And click on USB selective suspended setting. Then make sure that you disable this two settings. Then apply it and click OK. After this, go to File Explorer and choose C drive. Then go to Windows and choose for INF. Now search for WPDMT. Then right-click on it and choose Install. After this, go to Device Manager. Then expand Universal Serial Bus Controller. Now if you see any USB root hub option, update all of the options. As you can see, my drive is already updated. If this method doesn't work, go to the USB root hub option and right-click on it and uninstall the drive. Then go to Action and click on Scan for hardware changes, and your drive will install again. Then go to search bar and search for disk partition. Then click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partition. Then choose your drive and right-click on it. Then choose Change Drive Letter and Path. Then click on Change and choose any letter you want from A to Z. Then click OK and click Yes. After all of this step, finally all you have to do is restart your computer. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. And we will see you in the next video.